Think of your living room as more than just four walls and furniture. It's the true heart of your home. It's the place where you unwind after a long day, share laughter with family, and create memories with guests. Hello, and welcome to this lesson on how to design a living room. In this session, I will guide you step by step through the process of designing a living room. We will cover how to understand the purpose of the space, how to plan the layout, how to choose the right furniture, how to design lighting, how to select style and aesthetics, and finally, how to add finishing touches. The first step in design is understanding the purpose. Ask yourself, what do I want my living room to do? For some families, it is a place to gather and watch TV. For others, it is more formal, meant for entertaining guests. In small homes, it may even double up as a study or dining space. So before you place a single piece of furniture, decide, is my living room for relaxation, for family time, for hosting, or for multiple uses? Your answer will shape all design choices that follow. Layout and space planning. Now let's talk about layout. A good layout balances two things: circulation and comfort. Circulation simply means the pathways people use to walk through the room. Always leave clear walking space, ideally around 3 feet, so that people don't bump into furniture. Next, arrange your furniture according to the room shape. In a formal living room, you can use a symmetrical layout, like 2 sofas facing each other with a table in between. In a family room, an L-shaped sofa or a sectional creates a cozy corner. In open-plan homes, try arranging seating to define the living zone, while still keeping it connected to dining or kitchen areas. Pro tip: use a simple floor plan drawing, even on paper, to test your layout before moving heavy furniture. Furniture selection. Furniture is what truly defines the space. The sofa is usually the anchor piece. Choose one that fits your room size, not too large, not too small. A sofa that is too big will make the room feel crowded. Along with the sofa, add chairs for extra seating, a coffee table in the center, and a couple of side tables for lamps or small decor. Always think about proportions. For example, the height of your coffee table should be close to the height of your sofa seat. The space between the sofa and coffee table should be around 18 inches so that you can move comfortably. If your room is small, consider multifunctional furniture, like ottomans with storage or nesting tables that can be tucked away. Lighting and ambience. Lighting changes the entire mood of the living room. Think in 3 layers. Ambient lighting, the main source, such as ceiling lights or chandeliers. Task lighting, lamps for reading or working. Accent lighting, lights that highlight artwork, wall textures, or a bookshelf. Also, never ignore natural light. Use curtains that allow sunlight during the day but provide privacy at night. Light, sheer fabrics make the room feel open and bright. Style and aesthetics. Now that the basics are set, let's talk about style. Pick one main design direction: modern, minimalist, Scandinavian, or classic. This helps the room feel cohesive. Next, work with a color palette. Neutrals like beige, gray, and white make a good base. Add color through cushions, rugs, or artwork. Textures are equally important. A soft rug, a mix of fabrics and wooden finishes add warmth and interest. For the walls, you can use paint, wallpapers, or wall panels depending on the mood you want to create. Remember, less is more. Too many colors or too much furniture will make the room feel cluttered. Finishing touches. Finally, add those small details that make the space yours. Plants bring freshness. Artwork or family photos add personality.
A few well-chosen accessories, like candles or books, make the room inviting. Keep it balanced. Every item should add value. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more interior design.